HYBY ceiling lamp from Ikea. Designed in quality Ikea of Sweden, Ikea of Sweden AB, made in China. Okay, design HYBY M. HYBY. Maybe it's name of designer. Included one plate or bowl, excluded two lamp, without lamp. Max 13 watt. Okay, let's unpack it. Design and quality of Sweden. Oh, what you can offer Sweden Chinese? Oh, some lamp. Yeah, working on the ceiling. You remember such a song? Yeah, it's beautiful. Yes. Okay, let's do it. Like this. A bowl. It will be good for our eyes. We do not see any light from that. It's interesting. I put it like this. Like UFO. Yeah. Or like some antenna. Okay, I like it. And the base. Like this. We have some instructions here. Put it like this and like this. Every man can do it, I think. Click here and screw it here. Yeah, it's not a problem to do it. And some wires here, base. Okay, it's not heavy to do. On the tiles, and basically it will be like this. And this will be like this. Beautiful.
Yeah. And
so it's parts we needed to put here to click. Then it will be fixed like this. We bought lamps for this ceiling lamp. Here 27 standard, like this, and you can put it like here. Okay, it will be like this and like this. Yeah, it will be good, I think. I like it. Everything is fine. We will do some renovation here in our bedroom, and we will change this ceiling lamp on that one from Ikea. At first we need to turn off all power to our lamp. We can do it like this one. All light is off. Okay, next one. Next one, we need to put some screw here and to screw this lamp like this.
Can I
Okay,
please do it?
we have. You can do it. It will be something. It will be something like this.
Okay. Can I please do it?
Okay, you can take it, and I will go above.
Up?
Up, yeah. This one is ours. That one is live, and this one is neutral. Live, neutral, and ours. Okay, we need to unscrew this part. Please give me a screwdriver.
What screwdriver?
A small one for electricity.
I understand.
I take like this with live indication, but now its power is off and we do not see any live here. And try to unscrew it. Like this. Live. Red one here is live, black is neutral, and yellow and green is ours. Here.
Earth.
Ours. Let's connect our lamp here. First we need to put something like this here. It's too big here. We need smaller. Let's screw some hook to the hole, like this. Something like this. Yeah, it's okay. Let's assemble the lamp here.
It's a constructor.
It's constructor. We need to put here these elements. We need some click here, like this. We need to put this metal part here and to do some click. Maybe like this. Yeah, we have some click. One part. Second part. Maybe this. It's not so easy. Do some click. Okay. Yeah, second click and third one. Yeah. It's almost complete. Here will be live, here will be Ars, and here will be neutral, red, black, and yellow and green. Okay, let's try to install it. We need to unscrew it like this. Here, and screw it like this. Let's put it back. Yeah, it's okay. It's good. And here it will be. And we need to I need a screwdriver. Yeah, light is on. Next one is Ars. So we need some plugs. Okay. Some plugs. And we need some screw. Yeah. And black is neutral. This. Yeah. Everything is good. We need to put some lamp here. LED lamp from Ikea A+. Okay, let's put them to our installation. Maybe let's try one lamp and then put a second. Let's try it. One, two, three. Yeah,
Oh yeah.
It's okay.
Oh, very good.
That's completed. And we will complete it completely like this. button only. Ta-da!
Oh,
Our book is done.
yeah.